Hello everyone, my name is Stefan and I work for the Swedish National Research and Educational Network Sunet. In this video I will tell you about an e-signature service we have developed in Sunet that we call eduSign. So what is eduSign and why is it useful? eduSign is an e-signature service that helps you sign electronic documents like PDFs and allow you or other individuals to validate who the signatures on a document belongs to, and that the document has not been changed in any way since it was signed. eduSign is a very easy to use and still highly secure signature service. It follows the recommendations in regards to e-signature and trusted services from both the Agency of Digital Government in Sweden and the Swedish Post and Telecom Authority, which also gives that eduSign is compliant with the European Union EDAS regulation. So let me show you how easy the service is to use. I go to the eduSign webpage and log in using my federated identity, in this case my eduID. As I've logged in before, it remembers me and I only have to input my password. Here I upload a document to the service and then preview and approve it to ensure that it is the correct document that I will be signing. After having approved it, I can choose to invite other people to sign it if that is needed. However, this time I decide to sign it myself. And I'm then redirected back to my identity provider again to ensure that it really is me that is signing this document. Once the document is signed, I can preview the document and see that it now has a second page with the signatures graphically represented, and I can choose to download it to my computer if I like. If I or someone else at a later time need to validate that this document contains my signature and that it has not been tampered with since I signed it, I can go to our public validation service. In the validation service, I can upload the document and validate that the signature is mine and that the signature covers the whole document, which means that it has not been changed since I signed it. As you can see out of the box, it is a very easy service to use, but that is not all. What is also a very powerful feature with eduSign is that the signature service has open APIs, which means that external partners have the possibility to integrate their own services with the eduSign service. In other words, you don't have to use the graphical interface I showed, but instead you can integrate e-signatures in already existing service workflows by connecting them to the eduSign signature service. On top of that, all the code for this service is open source, so if you want, you can even set up your own e-signature service. The Sunet eduSign service is connected to the eduGAIN Identity Federation through seamless access, which means that it is accessible to the whole research and educational community connected through eduGAIN. This also means that there is no user handling needed in the actual eduSign service. All that is already taken care of at each institution connected to the Identity Federation. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I have included links to the eduSign source code and other topics I touched on in the description of this video. Take care and goodbye.